Okay, so let's have a look at number 3 for Ryan Limited 2023 exam paper. The period of credit given to debtors in months or days. So if you want to find months, we're going to multiply by 12% or by 12 over 1. If you want to find days, we're going to multiply by 365 days over 1. So because it's the period of credit given to debtors, our formula is going to be our debtors divided by our credit sales. So let's have a look. Our debtors is going to be in the balance sheet. So our debtors is 55,000. And then our credit sales then is going to be in the profit and loss account, which is 675,000. Now we're going to put them into our formula. So we've identified the figure. So it's going to be 55,000 divided by 675,000. And because we're going to find this in days, we're going to multiply this by 365 days. So we're going to divide 55,000 by 675,000 first. That gives us 0.081481. And then we're going to multiply that then by 365 days. You can also multiply by 12 to find the months, but I'm going to find days. So it's 29.74 days. Remember, we're doing the 2 place the decimal. So if we multiply 365 days, we're going to get 0.74. Remember, the unit that you need to get it correct is going to be days. So the previous one we would have had percentages. So that's finding the period of credit given to debtors. So we give our debtors 29.74 days before they pay the bills to us when they buy sales on credit. So you need to find your debtors figure from your balance sheet. You need to find your sales figure from the profit and loss account. Divide your debtors by your credit sales, and whatever figure you get then, I multiply by 365 days. You can also multiply by 12 to find the months, and make sure you fill in the units, days correctly as per the question.